Gather the necessary ingredients for fettuccine Alfredo. Main protein, chicken breasts, pasta, fettuccine, dairy, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and butter. Aromatics, garlic. Seasonings, olive oil, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Chicken breasts should be cut into evenly sized pieces for optimal cooking. Uniform size ensures that all pieces cook at the same rate. Seasoning enhances the flavor profile of the chicken. Common seasonings include salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Begin by heating olive oil in a large skillet. Set the stovetop to medium-high heat for optimal cooking. Add the seasoned chicken to the heated skillet. Cook the chicken until it achieves a golden brown color. Ensure the chicken is thoroughly cooked through to eliminate any health risks. Verify the internal temperature reaches a safe level using a thermometer. Begin by filling a large pot with water. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. Add the fettuccine pasta to the boiling water. Cook the pasta according to the package directions. Cook until the pasta reaches an al dente texture. Melt butter in a pan over medium heat as the initial step. Add minced garlic to the melted butter. Sauté the garlic until it becomes fragrant. Ensure the garlic does not burn during the sautéing process. Begin by pouring heavy cream into a pan containing sautéed garlic and butter. Ensure the mixture is brought to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Stir the cream and butter mixture occasionally to prevent scorching. Simmering the cream allows it to thicken, creating a richer sauce base. Grated Parmesan cheese is gradually added to the cream sauce. Constant stirring is essential during the cheese addition process. The cheese should be fully melted into the sauce. The result is a smooth and creamy sauce texture. Begin by seasoning the Alfredo sauce with salt and pepper. Add a pinch of Italian seasoning to enhance the flavor profile. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed. Adjusting seasoning is crucial for achieving the desired taste. Cooked chicken is added to the prepared Alfredo sauce. Ensure all chicken pieces are placed into the sauce. Stir the chicken and sauce together thoroughly. The goal is to evenly coat each piece of chicken with the Alfredo sauce. Cooked fettuccine pasta is added to the pan containing the chicken and Alfredo sauce. The goal is to integrate the pasta with the sauce and chicken. Gentle tossing ensures even distribution of the sauce. Continue tossing until all the pasta strands are thoroughly coated. This coating process ensures each strand is infused with flavor. Use tongs to carefully pick up the chicken Alfredo pasta. Transfer the pasta to the desired plate or bowl. Arrange the pasta in an aesthetically pleasing manner. Ensure the pasta is neatly presented and well distributed. Consider the overall visual appeal of the plated dish. Fresh garnishes enhance the presentation and flavor of dishes. Common garnishes include freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Another popular garnish is chopped fresh parsley. Garnishes should be freshly prepared for optimal quality. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese can be used as a garnish. Chopped fresh parsley is another suitable garnish. Sprinkle these garnishes over the plated pasta. Ensure even distribution for visual appeal. Garnishes enhance the dish's presentation. Proper garnishing elevates the dining experience. The dish is Italian chicken Alfredo pasta, ready for serving. The creamy texture of the Alfredo sauce is a key visual element. The chicken is golden brown, indicating it is perfectly cooked. Fresh garnishes enhance the dish's appeal and flavor profile. Serve the pasta immediately after cooking to ensure optimal taste and texture. Serving the pasta hot preserves its intended flavor profile. A prompt serving prevents the pasta from becoming sticky or clumpy. Serve immediately to maintain the desired temperature. Freshness is indicated by the steam rising from the dish. A brief summary of the recipe steps will be displayed on screen. Ingredient quantities will be included as text overlays. Thank you for watching this recipe demonstration. Viewers are encouraged to try the recipe at home.